Hello, everybody. Now we are live. We're waiting for our subscribers to join us as we dive into today's market analysis on gold and BTC. I'm expecting this session to be very interesting. I'm expecting this session to be very interesting. Yes, miss.
How do you read it?
Come, what's up?
No, you need to move it, right? Who got you?
Yes, we need to. I can adjust.
I
Hmm.
have been
Okay. Yeah. Cool. Thank you.
Send us link, send me link.
Okay, I will. Hi. If you can see my screen, kindly. If you can see my screen, kindly say I. Just say I, so I can know you guys are there. If you guys can see my screen, kindly say I, so I know you guys are there. We're active now. Today we're going to be talking about gold and BTC financial instrument as a good edge for our portfolio diversification in 2025. Firstly, before I go ahead, I want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone, to all traders, to our subscribers on Nat Prime FX, to our subscribers on all social media platforms. We want to say hi, how are you guys doing? Hello, everybody. I'm saying hi. Um, it's a good time to be in the financial market. It's a good time to know how to trade the market. It's a good time to give you guys the analysis that is going to help us through the year 2025 as we end the year 2024. I am so excited to have you guys around. I'm so excited to be online also. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hi, how are you doing? I'm saying hello also. If you guys are ready and you guys can see my screen, if you can see my screen, please just give me a sign that you can see my screen. I'm going to be starting with fundamentals. Before I go into fundamentals, I'm going to be talking briefly about gold, briefly about BTC. Then we go into fundamentals for the day. We go into the holidays for today. We go into the rest of the day. And then we go directly on the chart to analyze the USD, BTC USD, and XAU USD, which is gold. It's good to have you guys online. Thank you. So for today, for fundamentally, let's look at what what the site investing.com is saying. So today, Europe is on holiday. Europe is on holiday. The US is open for business. The UK is on holiday also, Boxing Day. So the market is going to be a little bit slow at the moment, but we are expecting a little bit of movement, which is what interests traders. We're expecting movement by New York session. As I can see on my site, I can see there's an initial job loss initial jobless claims. That's a 3-star news for the New York session open. That's for the US market. No much for the UK market, but definitely we're expecting something for the US market. Today we're talking about gold and BTC USD. And why gold and why BTC? Why do we have to diversify our portfolios? Why do we have to pay attention to USD and BTC? Why do we have to pay attention to gold? So I would say BTC is the digital asset that you can use alongside with gold. Gold is the natural asset, obviously, which we use to hedge against inflation. We see as a lot of investors, a lot of professional traders and hedge funds, they have very good percentage of their portfolio either in gold or in BTC and stocks and the likes. But we are going to be talking about BTC and USD today. Is the network good? Is the network perfect? Can you guys hear me perfectly well also? Abdul Kadir, the Fox FX, AM. I know you guys are with me. Thank you for joining us live today as we go directly into the chart. So today, let's go to BTC USD live analysis first. BTC USD live analysis. So, as I was saying, I'm going to start with BTC USD, and I'm saying that BTC has emerged as a digital alternative to gold. It's what the investors or the hedge funds would call the digital gold, and it's decentralized by nature, capped also in supply, and it is always attractive to hedge funds, to investors, to heavy traders also, against currency devaluation and central bank policies. So basically, the reason why most people have BTC USD as an asset is to hedge against currency inflation. So that means if the USD is devaluing if the USD is devaluing because of inflation, you can hedge your portfolio with BTC. That means you make more money while the USD is going down. Your BTC portfolio or your BTC investment keeps going up, and this is the reason why we have the BTC analysis also for today. So I'm looking at the BTC market trend at the moment. The BTC market trend at the moment on the 4 hours time frame, I can see a bullish trend. I can see a bullish trend like that. I can see a bullish trend like that. I can see a retracement, a bullish trend. So I'm looking at this level of equilibrium. Again, we always like to draw our levels so that we know where price is going to retrace to and where price is going to continue from. I'm looking at this level of equilibrium. So I expect price to do something like this and then return for bullish trend. And this is because so many people, hi Sultan, how are you? Welcome. Thanks for joining us online. And this is my reason. There is no reason to trade against the trend. There is basically no reason to trade against the trend. So if the BTC USD on the 4 hours is bullish, the BTC USD on the 4 hours is bullish. All we need to do is wait for a retracement, get our discounted price, wait for the sellers to fade off, which everything I've said right now, we can see on the chart. Okay, so we said the BTC USD is bullish. We can see the strong movement up, bullish, to about 107, 108,000 per BTC. We can see the way it retraced. The sellers trying to give discount. The buyers also came in. Then we have this dead beat of sellers. Then you can see this bullish movement. This is a bullish continuation for me. This very candle is a bullish continuation for me. And everything coming down to this place is for me to take back up. And that's why we have this arrow. With we are anticipating that the BTC is going to resume again, especially this period is a very volatile market in the world, whether for the US, because I think the US presidential election and Trump is a big advocate also for BTC. So we are expecting a bullish movement for now on BTC. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop it in the chat. I will be addressing any question whatsoever. If you have any question, please feel free to drop it in the chat. I will address all your questions. But for now, we are still going into the technical analysis for BTC, and we are going to be following it up with technical analysis and price action for gold, which are our basic investment vehicles, financial investment vehicles that we're going to be talking about today, so that we can use this instrument as a good edge for our 2025 investment and market operations. This is a free webinar sponsored by CPT, trusted broker. Yes, I've been using them for a while. They are trusted. So for now, we are going to be talking about why should BTC be part of our portfolio diversification financial instrument? And this is because of the increasing institutional adaptation and also ETF approvals. So if you check around, you'll see that BTC is being talked about almost all the time. But you go to internet, you see BTC is going up. You go to your news, Bloomberg, you see news about BTC. It's such a high demand financial instrument at the moment. And for us as traders, the only thing we want to see is a high demand in a particular product, wait for a discount, and then we join in the supplies. A high demand in a particular product, wait for a discount, and we join in the supplies. Exactly on the chart, you can see the demand for. Okay, so let's go to the daily, so that we can have a clearer chart. Let's go to the daily. I'm going to be clearing the charts. Remove drawings. So the daily is telling us that there is a bullish movement. We have the equilibrium level on the daily chart now. We have the equilibrium level. So we said once there is a surge in demand, For traders, we are only on the chart to witness a demand for any product. It can be for BTC, it can be for gold, it can be for Euro USD, it can be for stocks also. It can be for any product. But what we are looking for is a high demand. And the only way you can tell that there is a high demand on any product is by looking at the price action. So in this space of equilibrium, the buyers and sellers are in good agreement. People are buying and people are selling for a stated amount, and they are okay. The price was ranging between 60,000 to 72,000. So once this breaks out, we say there is a high demand. This is not because people are literally buying. This is because people are focused so much on this product. They're interested. They're like, People are buying, I want to make money, I want to make money. Okay, so people selling are raising the price, and that is why we have a high increase in price. The only place a trader should get into this is if we have a demand, and we have a discount. So I'm expecting a little bit of a discount retrace, then back up. I'm expecting a little bit of a discount retrace to maybe 72 price thereabout on BTC, 72, 73,000 price thereabout on BTC before we resume the trend. And as I can see also on this chart, I can see that the sellers are resuming actually very heavily. That means the buyers are a little bit taking caution. And it is good to take caution also because if there is heavy movement from the sellers might continue. That means we might not have an upward movement on BTC anytime soon. We might actually have a couple of downtrends, possibly a couple of downtrends, depending on fundamentals also, before we now have a reason to join in the supplies. But we have to also note that until the buyers resume in buying this very product, we have no business buying BTC USD at the moment. Until the buyers resume. Right now, the sellers are active. I can see a break here. The sellers broke already. A little bit of support has been broken here. We tested it, but look at this candle coming down also. So I'm going to be waiting for the New York Stock Market Exchange to open in another 1 hour 15 minutes, and then check the price action. That will give us a good confirmation on the best direction for BTC USD at the moment. But as I am saying, the sellers are active for now on BTC USD. We have to be careful putting in our money on the buys. We have to be careful putting in our money on the buys. If you have any question, please ask me. If you have any questions, please ask me. I will be willing and eager to answer your questions. So for now, I feel I can say through the price action that the sellers are active on BTC USD. Right now is not the best time to make a decisive bias on BTC USD because we are in a bullish trend. The market has a demand, but the sellers are also active. So we have to wait for the sellers to finish their deal. Let them come down, give us enough discount, even fade out. Then you allow the buyers to come. So my prediction on BTC USD is this. I'm expecting the sellers to, if they don't react from here, which is the 92 price, I'm expecting it to drop to about 70 to 75, not that much, obviously, but to 70 to 75, something like this. Then once we have another bullish trend, you wait for the sellers to die off, then we can join. At this point, I'm expecting the BTC USD to last up until maybe 110, but definitely we are going to be seeing a 108 price for BTC USD again, because that price is new. Apart from the fact that it is new, it is the highest price in the sky that we have ever seen for BTC USD. The highest price in the sky that we have ever seen for BTC USD. Welcome, guys. If you can hear me loudly, if you can hear me clearly, and you're seeing the chat, please say I in the chat. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask, as I will be answering all your questions. And we are just rounding up on BTC USD analysis. As a financial instrument to hedge our portfolio diversification for the year 2025. The year 2025 is going to be a busy year. The year 2025 for traders, for investment, for investors, and for hedge funds is going to be a busy year. All you need to do is to position yourself for, like, attend webinars like this, read more books on investment, stay glued to your fundamentals, and you can really make a whole lot of returns in the year 2025. So right now I'm going to be going to gold. Gold is one of my favorite financial instruments. XAU USD. Gold is one of my favorite financial instruments, and we're going to be giving the technical analysis also with the price action on gold. Gold is also a very important financial. Hello guys. Folks, FX, how are you doing? It's good to have you guys on board. So for now, I'm going to be saying that gold has been a long-term investment opportunity for hedge funds and investors, and also we've been having a very long trend on USD AUD, which is gold. We've been having a very bullish trend, as you can see on the chart. We have this level of equilibrium on gold that was broken to the upside, 2000 thereabout per ounce. Yes, 2000 thereabout per ounce. That is my level of equilibrium. We have a demand. We have a demand to the upside. We have the range. Then the demand. Then we have this sellers coming in. We have the buyers again that couldn't go any further. Then we have the sellers. So for now, I'm going to be bearish on gold. I'm expecting gold also to be bearish. I'm expecting gold price to fall for a bit. The US dollar, that means the US dollar will be increasing in strength. That means I'm expecting a little bit of a retrace. Maybe in 2025, early year 2025, we might be having this bullish trend to resume. But I feel right now the market is coming for correction because the price is already high in the sky. Again, this is the highest price we've ever seen for gold. This year, 2025, has been amazing for financial instruments or for traders or for investors because we see new prices, we see new levels of price action, breaking highs, breaking resistance. But towards the end of this year, we might be seeing a couple of corrections. We might be seeing a little bit of retracement or discounted price for this very product before we have the buyers. Now, my question is, can you also make money in a reversal? Can you make money in a downtrend? Is it just in a bullish market that you make money from? No, you can also make money from a downtrend. And if you wish to know how to do that, you can contact us at NatPrimeFX, obviously, and we'll put you through the academic courses, teaching you how to recognize the seller's market or the buyer's market. So right now, let us finish up with the analysis on BTC US, on analysis on XAU USD. So I have this level of equilibrium at the top of the price. This level of equilibrium also at the top of the price. We have this price trying to break the range. The sellers resumed. That means we are in a sell market. Right now, we are in a sell market on gold. And you can see the way the sellers are resuming also. This is a one-day chart. That means every candle you see here is representing a day's transaction. So right now we are in a sell market. The price might pull up back a little, but I'm expecting the price of gold to fall for now. So now might not be the best time to put your money in gold, but I would say towards the year 2025, going into 2025, January, we're going to be having another live analysis, of course, to tell us more direction or to give us a better understanding of when to get into this type of investment for gold or for BTC. Any questions, please? Any questions, please? Now, if you are entering any of these trades, you have to wait for the best time because timing matters also. I will be thinking maybe in the next 1 hour, yes, 1 hour, 7 minutes, the New York Stock Exchange market will be opened. that for me is the best time to trade. If you're a daily trader, that's for me is the best time to enter into any trade. Any questions, please? Also, I think this is just an easy analysis for gold, having a sell bias. Also for BTC, having a sell bias. This is giving us indication that the USD as a currency, the USD economy or the US economy might be getting stronger. This might be getting stronger, and this is going to cause a reversal in any currency or any product that is against the USD. So if you're going for gold against the USD, you should expect the price of gold to fall because the USD is getting stronger. If you are going for BTC against the USD, you should expect the price of BTC to fall. And we also have good fundamentals to back it up today. As you can see, the initial jobless claims is getting active. Any questions, please? We're about to round it off. 30 minutes, fine. I think we gave ourselves a good analysis on BTC and USD. For investment diversification, if you're going to ask me, I would say that 30 to 40% of your investment portfolio should go to BTC. For those people that are asking, like, what's the percentage ratio you should give to BTC and what's the percentage ratio you should give to gold, I would say let 30% to 40% of your portfolio or your investment portfolio be on gold because it is stable. For now, the gold is bullish, and for a long time, you can keep that and you'll make good returns. And also for BTC, let it be about 10 to 20% of your portfolio diversification, because it is a highly volatile market. BTC is highly volatile. You have to be careful. Let it be 10 to 20% of your portfolio in BTC, but 30 to 40% of your portfolio in gold is reasonable for potential growth. It's reasonable for potential growth. Yes. And you can also use gold as a long-term preservation and BTC for a short-term preservation because BTC is highly volatile. Gold is also highly volatile, but it is steady on a long term. Gold is steady on a long term. Any questions, please? If there's no other question, we shall be ending the live, and I'll be seeing you guys again next year. Hopefully, um, we have more information for you and more information to share. I'm wishing us a Merry Christmas for all the celebrants for a Christmas celebration. And I'm wishing you guys also a Happy New Year in advance. Hoping to see you guys in next year very better financially. And also see you guys with CPT Market. We give you guys the best deals for traders and for investors. And also, we hope to see you guys at Nat Prime FX, the academy. We give you the best education, financial education you can imagine. Thanks for coming around. We love you guys. See you guys again next year. Happy New Year. Cheers.